Good morning, friends. Today we discussed on social media how to use for stocks. Let's discuss case 1. Someone posted on social media that XYZ stocks going to be multi-bagger next year. You saw that message and take a big position like 10 lakh in that shares in that stock. Then after you purchase, stock continue to go down, making a panic each day. You keep asking updates from that person about the stocks. Sometimes he gives or sometimes he ignores. Let's discuss case 2. Someone posted on social media that XYZ stock going to be multi-bagger next year. You saw that message and check that stocks, technical or fundamentals. Read its annual report to see its growth plans. Check its past performance, and if satisfied, then start buying slowly and slowly. If not satisfied, then ignore it. Here you won't ask updates from anyone, even if that stock go down, because you have made research and acquired information about that company. If you are still part of scenario first, then please stop and try to come under scenario 2. Thank you.